Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yami D, and today I'm going to show you guys how I basically made my closure look like a frontal. So if you guys want to see how I did that, make sure you guys keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. My Snapchat is YamiBroadXX and my Instagram is also YamiBroadXX, and I'll leave it right here for you guys so you guys know how to spell it. So right here I'm just showing you guys how my wig looked like after I finished making it. So this hair is by Klaiyi from Amazon, and this is their Brazilian deep curly hair, and I can tell off the bat that the hair is very soft. And at this part we're just going to go ahead and cut the rest of the cap because I haven't done that yet. So you definitely do want to bleach your knots, so I'm going to be using the BW2 powder lightener and also a 30 developer, and I'm going to mix those two together. So I'm working with a small amount of developer because you do not want the consistency of it to be too runny. You want it to be thick so that way it doesn't seep through the lace and ends up bleaching so much of the hair. So after I finish making it, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on my lace. I do find that using a spoon or the bottom of a comb is a best way to apply, because I feel like using a brush it just makes everything too complicated. So after I was done, I left it on for 10 minutes and then washed it. I wish I had left it on for longer, but I was using 30 developer and I was kind of scared. Like, I didn't want anything to go wrong. So right here at this point, we're going to part a little bit of the hair out the way and then start plucking. And this is definitely the part that makes your closure look like a frontal, because the closure is really thick and you want it to look scalp-like. So I just continue this part, I just part and pluck. So yeah, just continue this process until you're satisfied on how it looks. Remember, don't pluck too much. It's better to work little by little and then go back on it and see how it looks on your head. And then if you feel like you need to pluck more, pluck more. So I'm finally done, and this is how it looks. It looks so good, and this is how much hair that I ended up plucking off. So right here, I'm gonna cut the lace. You want to cut the lace with a razor, so because you don't want the lace to look too straight. You want it to look riggedy, like all your frontals look like. Sorry that you can't really see me cutting the lace, but yeah, I just went back with the scissors just to fix like the ends of it. And you can see that I'm not cutting it straight, like I'm cutting it in like a zigzag motion. So next step is the baby hairs. I'm just gonna part off a little piece of the hair out and then cut it. So I'm applying some mousse now to lay my baby hairs. I did go back with a pair of tweezers and took some hair out because I felt like my baby hairs was kind of too thick. want to see how the hair looks brushed out, but before I do brush it out, this is how the natural curls look. It's very, very, very pretty. I will leave all the information about this hair down in my description bar below, but these curls are so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna brush it out. I want to see how it looks like when it's big. I never had big curly hair before. Actually, I did once, but the hair was really, really bad. But I'm gonna end up brushing this out and see how it looks while my lace kind of melts. So this is what it looks like brushed out, and I really, really like it. My sister said I should wet it, but I really like this like afro look. And this hair is super duper 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 soft. And this is basically what the baby hairs look like as well. Yeah, I like it. I'm actually gonna go ahead and wet the curls so you guys can see how it looks all defined. And I'll be right back. So this is how it looks like when it's wet. I do want to give you guys a few information about this hair. This hair is by Klaiyi from Amazon, and this is their Brazilian deep curly hair. I got the inches 12, 14, 16, and a 10-inch closure. And the 16-inch reaches right about where my chest hits. Okay, you guys can see. It's like right about here. And I really, really like it. This hair is super duper soft, but I am gonna come back and do my full review on this hair. I just want to show you guys how I basically customize my closure and made it look like a frontal. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
You got it, girl. You got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you